Within the QPP software, open the Tools menu. Then select Technician and enter password 1234. Then open the Maintenance menu. Select Motion Control. Click on the applicable axis, mark X1 or X2, and then select Go Position. Click on the emergency button as a safety backup. Open the bellows at the front of the printer to gain access to the rails. Using a lint-free cloth, clean the rails of any dirt. You may wish to use WD-40, but it is important that you only spray the cloth, not the rails. Use the grease gun to apply grease to your hand. Spread the grease evenly along the rail. It's very important that the grease does not go onto the encoder strip. Within the QPP software, open the Maintenance menu. Select Motion Control. Click on the applicable axis and then select Safe Position. Remove the rear cover from the printer. Open up the bellows at the back of the printer to gain access to the rear rails. Repeat the process of carefully cleaning and greasing the rails.